As it turns out, there aren't always solutions, and in the grand scheme of things, beyond problems that have this form, we were lucky. So what's an example of one of these equations that doesn't have one of these integer solutions? Take a look at the equation 2x is equal to 4y plus 1. The proof is really straightforward for why this doesn't have any solutions. We notice first that 2x is an even number and that 4y plus 1 is an odd number. And then we notice that a number cannot be both even and odd. Proof done. Even though there are not integer solutions, there are rational ones, like 1 and a fourth. If we are not worried about scaling the equation up, we can always get rational solutions to equations of the form ax is equal to by plus c. But these equations of the linear form can be pretty boring. I mean, essentially, we're just talking about lines. So if we stick to the two-parameter rule, where would we see some more complicated examples that also have practical use in the real world? Also, if we abandon the two-parameter rule, are there any other places that we actually study or think about these integer solutions? Well, got some videos here for you to choose from to go over those things. Anyway, yep.